do the this or that fast talk. Okay. First question. Ikaw muna, sir. Front seat or back seat?
Front seat.
Nagtaka siya, sir. Walang meaning. Walang meaning. Aircon o energy o walang quiz forever?
Aircon? Naiinit eh.
Oh. Mainit ba ngayon?
Pero dito malamig.
Microphone or huwag na lang natin gawin?
Microphone.
So, coffee or milk?
Coffee.
Coffee. Are you a coffee lover?
Yes.
Nakailang coffee na po kayo kanina?
Siguro mga 8 na glass.
So, early bird or last minute?
Early bird.
Oh, early bird. Introvert or extrovert?
Extrovert.
Okay. Online or face-to-face?
Face to face.
Ilang cups of coffee ang kailangan mo bago ka maging active sa seminar?
Ako, wala.
Hindi ka nag-coffee kanina, sir?
No.
Kailangan ko kasi
30 plus?
healthy.
Hindi naniwala si Angel.
Abutin din naman ng 17.
Okay. Early bird or last minute?
Early bird.
Early bird, sir.
Early ka.
Yeah.
Ano naman? Okay. Online or face-to-face?
Face to face.
Face to face.
Oo, kaya mga kabataan lang ngayon yung gusto mag-online yan. So, napaghalataan tayong mga matatanda.
May edad lang, hindi mo matatanda.
Mature.
Okay. Introvert or extrovert?
Extrovert.
Morning seminar or afternoon seminar?
Morning.
Morning. Oh, free food or free certificate?
Free food.
Pinagpalit ang certificate sa food. Okay.
Masarap yung food kanina.
Talaga. Dodoy na kayo. Masarap ang food dito. Unlimited questions or unlimited snacks?
Unlimited snacks. Food.
Buti yung honest answer ito. Very good. And lastly, microphone or pass muna?
Pass.
Pass. Pero nagpaduna interview. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so
ma'am.
much.